Good morning, 5th class. So, in the previous video, we have completed our first chapter, software and its types. So, today we just take a recap of first chapter, software and its types. So, what do you mean by software? Software are set of programs and programs are set of instructions. So, software are set of programs and programs are set of instructions. Software are divided into two types. First is system software and second is application software. Okay, so system software is further divided into three types: operating system, language processor, utility software. And application software is divided into two types: general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. So what is system software? System software basically is a collection of programs that control the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. So, the overall operations of a computer system and the internal working of a computer system is controlled by system software. And application software are the set of programs developed by programmers in order to perform some specific task. Okay, if you want to do some specific work, then you need to install application softwares. Like if you want to beautify your document, you want to do some calculations, you want to arrange data, so you just install application softwares. For example, in your mobile also you download various apps from Play Store to install the softwares which you are needed. So application softwares are divided into two types and system application is divided into three types. So first is operating system. Anybody please tell what do you mean by operating system? Operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. Overall activities are controlled by operating system and it acts as an interface between user and the hardware. User and the hardware. Operating system act as an interface between user and the hardware. If you are working on a computer, so you are user and your computer is hardware. So what is in between you and operating between you and hardware? Operating system. Operating system like window, the window which is in your computer like Windows 7, 8 or 10. Language processor. Okay, so what do you mean by language processor? Language processor basically used for translating the programming language into machine language. Okay, because computer understand which language? Machine language, and programmer write programs in programming language. So language processor translate programming language into machine language. Next is utility software. Utility software perform specific tasks related to managing a computer, its devices or its program. Okay, if you want to manage computer devices, then program, so what will be helpful? Utility softwares. Okay students, so these are the parts of system software. Next is application software. It is of two types I told you. So what is general purpose application software? It is also known as packages. It is also known as packages. So what are the software means? These software perform many tasks to fulfill the general need of users. To fulfill the general need of users. Like if you want to write some documents in computer, what will you open? MS Word. Okay, if you want to perform some calculations, what you will open? Electronic spreadsheet, means MS Excel. If you want to make a presentation, what will you open? Presentation software. So these are general purpose application software. So what do you mean by specific purpose? Specific software basically designed to meet the specific needs of users. Okay, like billing system. Okay, like billing system and reservation system. Some software designed for commerce like Tally. For example, you want to pay your electricity bill, so at the billing department, which software they are using? Billing system. So they are basically designed for specific needs. Okay, so this is the diagrammatic representation of system software and application software. So system software examples are operating system, various utilities, compilers, assemblers, file manager. These are system software. You have to remember that operating system is a system software, okay, because it controls the overall operations of a computer system. Application software means which are designed for users according to their needs, like word processing, MS Word, spreadsheet means MS Excels, communication like various apps, WhatsApp, okay, email. So these are for communication softwares. Games, okay, these are designed for users. Okay, and so this is the flow chart of operating system. This is hardware, means which you can touch and feel. So computer is your hardware, means monitor is your hardware. In this hardware, what is there? Operating system. Because when you open your computer, the first thing you should in practice operating system, means Windows. Okay, then after when your computer is opened, then what you install in that? Application softwares. You can just click, if the application software is downloaded, then you just click on that so that users can interact with it. Users interact with application software, and application software interacted with operating system, and operating system are within hardware. Okay, like this is your mobile is a hardware, and operating system means like in your mobile Android operating system are there, and application software means you install WhatsApp, games. These are application software and you are interacting with it. So this is the flow chart of operating system. These are various system software and these are various application softwares which are designed for users to access any information. Okay, these are basically system software which control the overall operations of a computer system, and these are designed for the human needs. Okay students, so now let us do some assignments, okay, and or activities. Thank you class.